Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports. So today's news is regarding one of the tanker which get exploded. Along with the crew were injured. The incident happened near the Libya. March 23, tanker arrived at Benghazi on March 13 from UAE, allegedly with cargo of jet oil from Libyan National Army (LNA), adversary of Libyan Government of National Accord (LGNA). Tanker left Benghazi on March 16, went off the AI's radars on March 18, being in Gulf of Sidra, and reappeared on March 22, issuing distress signals. LGNA in its statement said the tanker was seized by LGNA in the evening March 22 to be taken to LGNA control port for investigation. As of morning March 23, tanker was already in Misrata waters. Not clear what happened and whether there was an explosion or not. On March 22, chemical tanker Gulf Petroleum 4 suffered explosion in engine room at around 16:30 UTC March 22 in vicinity 32° north, 15:55 east of Libyan coast, Mediterranean. Unknown number of crew injured. Understood in need of medical assistance. Tanker understood to be disabled, drifting. She was engaged in operation in Gulf of Sidra since March 16, after leaving Benghazi, Libya. Chemical tanker Gulf Petroleum 4, IMO 9439345, deadweight tonnage 13,000, built 2009, flag Liberia, managed Gulf Shipping Services, UAE. If you like this information, please share, subscribe and comment to our videos.